Yeah, I guess the big Juanita Fault flows through right through here, eh?
Does
Like
it?
the Selma River is kind of sits on top of the big fault.
Oh, crazy. This is where we gotta cross somewhere. Good heavens.
Holy crow! What? Oh! Like America's Funniest Home Videos. Yeah. Go on that side of the rock, King.
I went on the bottom, lower side.
Yeah.
Time is it?
It's noon in my world.
Time to start collecting sticks. Nobody brought anything to cook though.
No.
More on pizza.
I got a piece of pizza. Are you hungry? You want it? Oh. Okay.
Try and take away a little more material. Just watch it.
Works, really? Yeah, it works better with more water in the pound, but it's working. There's water right there. And then you'll be left with just hematite. Yeah. Oops. Oh, that's too much. Yeah. Because there could have been gold in there. It's going to get all there and then there's going to be no gold. I hope not. That's why I'm dumping it on the rock.
So we got some heavy duty miners here. Crossed the river, busted knuckles, sitting under a tree because it's raining. Oh, holy!
That should over there, Jones.
Right by the fire.
My name's not Jones.
Turn him into KC Bones.
Oh, look at that. Let's see this flake of the day. Oh, yeah! Look at that.
I'm gonna clean that up a bit. Whoa!
You okay there?
That's where the gold was, but we didn't move it.
You moved it.